fissures within the UP government seem to be growing wider, and this time it's the Nazul land bill that seems to have split the state government and the party. The land bill, which was passed in the UP Assembly, has now been sent to the standing committee after the state BJP President Bhupender Chaudhary and two more BJP leaders opposed this in the Legislative Council. This land bill entails that land that's been without claimants or a legal heir for decades becomes part of the state's property and cannot be converted to private ownership. However, sources tell India Today that Yogi Adityanath has also given the go-ahead for the bill to be sent to the standing panel. Joining me is Abhishek Mishra. He's our correspondent in Lucknow. Now, this is quite a piquant situation where the Chief Minister's government passes a bill. It is opposed by members of the BJP itself, and in the Legislative Council then has to be sent to a committee. It almost seems as if the left hand in Uttar Pradesh doesn't know what the right hand wants.
Well, certainly, and that is something which has escalated to a level where the standing committee has to now decide the bill which was passed at the assembly yesterday. Yes, indeed, there were certain objections. There were some recommendations by the BJP MLA Siddharth Nath Singh, another MLA Harsh Vajpayee opposing it, and the opposition leader including Raja Bhaiya, Aradhana Mishra. They were actually having objection and they wanted it to send to a select committee. But yesterday, Finance Minister Suresh Khanna was able to get that consensus and they got it passed. But today, a lot of complaints were there, which we were getting to know. A lot of MLAs spoke to Chief Minister. They wanted a review on that, and it has been said that as per the strategy, now it has been made stuck at the Legislative Council, and the state chief himself, Bhupender Chaudhary, who is an MLC, himself was standing there and asked for it. And although KP Maurya, presented it there, but again, a question is coming why there is a lack of coordination. They already had a conscience on this particular bill. They know what was the feedback on the ground, but taking a last step, it looks like that it has been now has stuck at the Legislative Council, and now the select committee. It has gone to the select committee, but indeed there is two different parallel things within the Assembly and the Legislative Council, and certainly it has raised a lot of questions.
Let's see what Yogi Adityanath, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, had to say. He seemed quite perturbed, saying this is not a job that I'm doing. There's much more larger public service that's at play. So not responding directly to what happened in the council, but seeming quite aggrieved by the manner in which events turned out. Here is the UP CM.
जो प्रदेश के व्यापारी और बेटी की सुरक्षा में सेंध लगाने का काम करते हैं, जो प्रदेश के अंदर अराजकता पैदा करके सामान्य लोगों का जीना हराम करते हैं, मेरा दायित्व बनता मैं यहां नौकरी करने नहीं आया हूं, कतई नहीं। मैं यहां पे इस बात के लिए आया हूं कि अगर वो करेगा तो भोगतेगा भी फिर, और इसीलिए मैं यहां पे आया हूं कि हम लोग उससे लड़ेंगे। ये लड़ाई हमारी सामान्य लड़ाई नहीं है, ये प्रतिष्ठा की लड़ाई भी नहीं है। मुझे प्रतिष्ठा प्राप्त करनी होती है तो मुझसे से ज्यादा प्रतिष्ठा अपने मठ में मिल जाती है, कोई आवश्यकता नहीं मेरे लिए। लेकिन इस प्रकार के गुमराह भरे तथ्यों को लेकर क्या बातें हैं आप लोग बोलते हैं, इस प्रकार के अनावश्यक बातों की तरफ आप ध्यान आकर आप इस प्रकार की चर्चाएं करते हैं।